Hi everyone. Today we are introducing Recharkha's Lumino lampshades. These are Lumino bamboo lampshades, and as you can see, they are coming in fantastic variety of colors. Now these colors are the original colors of the plastic, and the frame is actually made by our dear friend who runs a company called Bambuchi, and they use naturally occurring bamboos, no processing, nothing to make these frames. And another cool part of this lampshade is it is completely detachable. So it disassembles, all the bamboo sticks come apart, and you can pack it in a thin packaging like this thin. So you can also check out a variety of other lampshades that we have on www.recharkha.org, and you can pick your best colors. Also, we have festive season approaching. We have Diwali, we have Christmas, and you can definitely put this in the right place in your right house. So the lampshade comes with attached with the fabric. Okay, so you don't have to worry about attaching the fabric to the frame, and it comes with a bulb holder and four connector sticks. This you will be using to assemble the bamboo lampshade in a standing position. Now we will see how to assemble this. So simply make the frame erect so that it stands like this. Now what you have to notice is there are two holes down here. That side has to be on the bottom, on the ground or below, not at the top. Okay, so this is where the bulb holder is going to be fitted, and at the top you will see one hole here and a hole on the opposite side. So what you have to do is you have to get one of the sticks, put it in one hole here, and match the hole on the opposite side, and then just give it a light squeeze like this. Then you go on the other side, opposite side, and do the same thing, and similarly you will do it for the bottom holes. So for the bottom, to assemble the bottom, we will invert the lamp like this and redo the procedure. One here and one here. Now you can see as the frame is getting tight, the lampshade is taking shape. Okay, all holes are done. Now you will need the bulb holder, and the bulb holder comes with two holes here through which you will be putting the screws, and the screw is like these, like you can see. You will put them directly through the hole, and then you have to take this bulb holder from beneath. Make sure that this bottom hole is here so that you have the right side of the lamp on the bottom side, bottom half. And now you have to match the hole like this, and then simply use a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips head is basically the one which has four flutes on it. Use it to tighten this screw here like this. You don't have to tighten it too much. Just once it stops spinning, you have to leave it at that, and repeat the same on the other side, and then your lampshade will be ready. Now all you need is a bulb. Put your lampshade wherever you want it, on the corner table or somewhere. Take the wire. It all comes assembled, so you don't have to worry about it. Put it in the socket. Make sure that the switch is turned off, and you assemble the lamp into the lamp holder or the bulb holder. This is slightly okay. Now the bulb is in the holder. Now I'll turn it on, and here is your lampshade. You can put it in the best spot in your house and enjoy the warm and calm light that comes out. Thank you, and hope you enjoy your lampshade.